Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro is Xiaomi's latest lower mid-range offering in India. This time the primary upgrade was in the camera. The phone follows the same design language as in its predecessor but with a notch. Starting at Rs 14,000, is this device worth to buy? Let's find out in this review. Hey guys, I'm Deepankar back with another video, and in this video I will be talking about Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro in detail. But before that, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. That small step from your side will help us to grow. Now let's talk about Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, starting with its design and build quality. The phone is roughly similar to its predecessor because it has the similar metallic unibody design. The only difference is the presence of a notch in Redmi Note 6 Pro. Notch houses dual camera setup along with LED notification, earpiece and sensors. There is also an option to hide the notch if you don't like it. The bezels and the chin have shrunk, so it has a better screen to body ratio. The power and the volume buttons are on the right. These buttons offer solid feedback. It has 3.5mm headphone jack, a secondary microphone and an IR emitter at the top. The left side only has a hybrid dual SIM tray. The base side has a micro USB port along with grills on either side of it. The loudspeaker is behind the right grills. The back side has vertical dual camera setup at the top left side. The fingerprint sensor is located at the center of the top portion. The phone has a metal build with plastic frame. The weight of the phone is 182 grams and the weight is because of the large 4000 mAh battery. It has curves at the edges that make it comfortable to hold. The phone comes with P2i coating for making it splash proof. That is another improvement over its predecessor. The phone features a 6.26 inches Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. The display has 403 ppi pixel density that is good for the class. The display also has Gorilla Glass protection. The display is really good. The outdoor performance is also good and the legibility under sunlight is fine. The color reproduction is also good, so you will get a good experience while watching videos or playing games. The phone comes with MIUI 9 out of the box, but MIUI 10 update is already available, so you will get notification of that as soon as you connect your phone to Wi-Fi. The MIUI doesn't offer any app drawer and lets you customize your phone using available themes. By default, MIUI offers virtual keys, but you can opt for gesture-based navigation if you want to use more screen space. The app switcher feels like the same we have seen in iOS. It supports multitasking via the new split screen feature. You also have a security app that keeps your phone safe and also manages permissions of your apps. There are also several custom features like dual space to manage your personal and professional life, dual apps, several gestures and app lock. Redmi Note 6 Pro packs octa-core Snapdragon 636 processor clocked at 1.8 GHz along with Adreno 509 GPU to handle graphics. It is coupled with 3GB, 4GB or 6GB RAM options. The unit I tested had 3GB of RAM. This setup can easily handle everyday tasks you throw at it. While many people are disappointed with Xiaomi's selection of chipset, but I don't feel that Xiaomi has compromised on performance in any way. The phone is capable of offering the performance you expect from the phone of this price segment. Not just as a daily driver, the phone even impresses in gaming. I tested several high-end games and phone manages to deliver a good experience. PUBG Mobile ran on the lowest setting, but it was also playable without any lag. The phone did get slightly warm after 30 to 35 minutes of gaming, but that is also not something to worry. The phone features a fingerprint sensor that is very fast and accurate. It also offers face unlock that is also fast and unlocks the phone quickly. Redmi Note 6 Pro comes with a dual camera on the back that has a 12 megapixels primary and 5 megapixels secondary camera. It also has a dual camera on the front with 20 megapixels primary and 2 megapixels secondary camera. Xiaomi has also added a few notable camera features on the phone. I have talked about camera in detail in Redmi Note 6 Pro camera review video. You can watch that video if you want to know more about the camera of Redmi Note 6 Pro. In short, both rear and front camera perform well in both daylight and low light. Only disappointment is the lack of 4K recording, but you can use any third-party camera app to trick this phone for recording 4K videos. Redmi Note 6 Pro has single bottom firing speaker that offers decent performance. It is loud enough and remains fine even in loudest volume. If you test it with a good earphone, the output is good in that as well. Considering the price, I am satisfied with its audio performance. The phone offers dual 4G VoLTE, Bluetooth 5, dual band Wi-Fi, GPS and micro USB like connectivity options. The presence of Type-C could have been a better option. Another notable feature of the phone is Wi-Fi pass-through that lets the phone act as a Wi-Fi repeater. If your Redmi Note 6 Pro is connected to a Wi-Fi access point where you cannot add more devices, you can turn on the hotspot of your phone and connect other devices to your phone. The feature works really well. The battery backup of the phone is really impressive. Redmi Note 6 Pro packs 4000 mAh battery, and getting 2 days of battery backup is really easy on the phone. I was usually getting 8 hours of screen on time when the primary usage was high gaming and video streaming. The phone comes with a regular 5V 2A charger that takes over 2 hours in fully charging the phone. In first 30 minutes, it charges around 30%. The phone supports Quick Charge 3, but you need to purchase 15W charger separately. That's it for Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. In my opinion, Redmi Note 6 Pro is an impressive device and doesn't disappoint. The phone has a good display, good performance, excellent battery life and good camera experience. What else you need? I tried to cover everything you need to know before buying this phone, but if you still have any question, you can leave it in the comment and I will reply as soon as possible. At the end, I will again request you to subscribe if you haven't already. If you really found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.